Today I'd like to show you how to upgrade the firmware on your DSD310. Please make sure that you've received the latest version of firmware. Get in touch with one of our branches and we'll email it to you. Once you've received the firmware, please copy it over to a flash drive and insert the flash drive into the front USB port on your DSD310. Press Menu, then go down to Settings. Option number 5 is Upgrade. Click OK under USB Upgrade. Press OK to explore the flash drive. And there you will see it. It's this .bin file. Press the OK button to start the upgrade process. Please be patient. It does take a few minutes. And please do not disconnect the power while the decoder is busy upgrading. The decoder will now boot up. Once the decoder has been booted up, please just press the exit button, and then I want you to go into Menu, go down to Settings once again, and just go to Factory Default. Password is 4 zeros. And there we have it. Our decoder is ready. If you guys have any questions or comments, please feel free to make them below. Or if you need some assistance, please feel free to get in touch with one of our branches. Have a lovely day.